Hey everyone, it's Alex from ENS Academy again. Today I'm going to be discussing what to do on your day off. Just like many people, while I do love my job, I enjoy my days off as well. But I do find myself trying to find things to do at home. So one of the things that I do, that many of us do, are either play video games or watch movies, but eventually that does get old, that does get boring after a good while, even with the online gaming or with the new movies out there. There are several free websites out right now. I know there are several zoos that are doing virtual tours. The National Zoo in Washington, D.C. does have a lot of their animal exhibits on display online for free. NASA has been doing the Mars rover. You can actually see a live video feed from NASA's Mars rover, so you get to see what it's like to be one of the NASA scientists and seeing what it's like on Mars. Disney is offering What It Takes to Be an Imagineer. It's a free course through Disney, a lot of videos, interesting subjects, just what it takes to build a theme park ride, to manage the theme park. On top of that, they are offering free virtual tours. The other thing that you can do on your day off is take a class. Here at ENS Academy, we do have several affordable online classes, meaning that you can do them 100% from home, on your day off, vacation, time off, what have you. These are the Medical Front Office Administration, which is a 4-week course, and then the Medical Billing and Coding, which is a 10 to 12-week course, but the majority of the students find a way to finish it in 8 weeks.
Really good.
I